Thank you. Okay, great. Yes, please. See your screen.
So this program name, okay, this is just renamed. So this I can just rename as.
You can name it as D and R. That might be a short thing.
That will be better then.
Yeah, just D and R might be. Yeah, and like the ampersand sign. Yeah, R. That's it. Okay. That's D ampersand R, or as you had named it, D and then ampersand. I mean, in the place of and. Yeah. Yes.
Done. It is successful now.
Great.
Just a minute, because I'm trying to see. This page is not getting updated. Maybe there is this error because this what do you say, and symbol it is not taking. Okay. In the
No
UI.
issue. No issue. Just take D and R I T. Might be
DR it may take.
D R I T E S or something like that.
It
Yeah.
may take
Just
DR.
take D R I T E S. Okay. Or else just DR.
DR it may take, I guess.
Could also do.
DR it will take.
DR, yeah.
Yes, yes. Fine. So this is the URL. It says ATESDR. Okay. And this payment link, I'll get it replaced to the new payment link that you will be going to give me. Okay. This is the current payment gateway of IIC, where the user will make the payment, will come to us, which you don't want. Okay. So this will be a new link. So I suggest you to create a payment gateway. If what payment gateway do you use right now?
We would have to provide. Okay.
Hello.
Okay. For India, we don't use any payment gateway. I was supposing that might be.
Clearly. One moment.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Is it better?
Yes.
So I was assuming that might be you'd be creating one. into
No,
the
no, we
site? I
can't.
mean,
We can't create it. See, I'm saying we can
okay.
connect the payment gateway. How can we create the payment gateway?
Okay, okay, I see. Yeah, right. You're right.
You have a bank account
So,
for your
yeah.
company. So you can go to either of these company. I'm suggesting you either you can go to Pay You Money. Okay. So
Okay.
you have to give the documents of your company to Pay You Money, and Pay You Money will give the payment
Mhm.
gateway. You might be using some payment gateway, right?
Yeah, we are actually using PayPal because that's for the international transactions we do, and
PayPal.
for domestic we use, we use bank transfers and these type of
Okay, okay. No worries. I'm suggesting you.
would you we can just create one? Yes, you can please suggest.
You can create two accounts. One is using Razorpay. Okay. It may take some days. Razorpay. Okay, this is razorpay.com. You can make use of Razorpay. I personally like Razorpay.
Okay.
Otherwise, most people use this PayUmoney. Payu PayUmoney. Okay, this is what people use mostly.
Okay.
So they will ask you
So,
your
like, which is the faster thing, because Razorpay needs a bit of time to get this
PayUmoney.
thing done.
PayUmoney.
And can we use Instamozo?
Instamojo will be
Can we
very
use
fast.
Instamozo? Is that an option?
Yes, yes, you can use Instamojo. You can use.
Fine. So I will be creating either of the two, either a PayU or it would be Instamozo, and I have to share with you the developer link which you would be putting into the site, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Fine. Got your point.
So this front-end information, what you're seeing right now, we'll make a little bit modification on this, so it will be user friendly as well as the curriculum and all the details will be there. Okay, the payment kit will be yours, so that once the user is making the payment, you will get a notification that the user has made the payment. Once the payment is done successfully, then you can share him the what do you say? Then you can share him the license code. Okay. Now
No
for
problem.
this particular program, I'm just going to coupons. Since we do not have the payment gateway right now, but that has nothing to do with this. Okay. The pricing is always there. It's written as 3,000. Okay. It will obviously be the hidden pricing in the backend because we'll be giving them the link for paying. Okay. So user made payment of 3,000 rupees to you, or 3,500 to you, 2,500 to you, depends, right? So
Right.
for this particular program, once the payment is done, then you'll share a license code to this guy. Okay. So I'm sharing you around 1,500 license codes. Okay. With a 100%
Okay.
discount on this. The reason of 100% discount is very simple. If he has already made the payment, he only needs the link to create the account and get access. Okay. So these are the 1,500 license codes that I'm sharing right away. But sometimes it may happen that we may make small changes in the program content or any time. Then these licenses may get cancelled. Okay. So you don't have to worry for that. If it gets cancelled, let it get cancelled. I'll just see, okay, how many licenses were issued previously. You said like, let's say some 500 licenses were issued. So the remaining 1,000 licenses are shared that time. Okay. So in case if there is any change or something happens, then those existing licenses will be cancelled, right? Due to
Problem.
technical glitch. So if any technical glitch is also there, you don't have to worry. You can just ask me that, hey, these licenses are not working. So whatever the licenses are not working, that will be given to you, because it's a technical platform. We can't say that, okay, every license that we're giving will work. Sometimes they don't work, sometimes, but generally every single license will work for sure. Okay.
No problem. No problem. One thing, I mean, as said, like in the site, it's showing 3,000. We would be adding the GST amount to it, and we'll be sending. So, can we modify the
You
prices and
can,
send, or
you can.
so we'll be having that backend access of this?
The payment gateway, you need to connect with us. Okay. My developer will
Huh?
change the payment link once only. Okay.
Okay.
Either you can make it as 3,000 plus GST is 3,500 rupees. Okay. So the user is making the payment online, he'll make the payment to you as 3,500 rupees. Fine.
Okay, and in case say we make it 3,500 and somebody is not ready to pay, we can just add on some of the coupons that you were setting up, and might be it can come down to 3,000 inclusive of GST. Can
See,
these two options be done?
In InstaMojo, there might be some coupon code. Okay. See,
Okay.
I'm again telling you this. Now let's go to this page. Let us assume that this is the page which is created for you, which is obviously yours, and this is your
Right.
payment gateway. Okay.
Right. Okay.
Once the user clicks on this link, instead of we receiving the payment comes to you.
Hmm. Hmm.
Now it is written pay 3,000 rupees. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
So here we can always mention the price that is pay 3,000 rupees. Okay. And this is your payment gateway where the user is coming and he's making the payment to you. Hmm? This payment can be inclusive GST, that can be excluding GST, that can be decided, that you can let us know. Hmm? We suggest it should be like 3,000 plus GST. Okay. Huh. We don't sell the ATS program
Okay.
directly. This is just for show that, okay, we have a program called ATS. We have partners who are selling the program, but then there are some partners who are selling at little lower price also. So we can add a form, a lead generation form where the users can actually connect with you, okay, and they can discuss with you about the fee and
Hmm.
all. So obviously, nobody is going to simply pay 3,000 without any confirmation, isn't it? They'll at least have a one-time message call. So that time you can send them the link of this program.
Right.
This is the link and this is the payment gateway link. So you can make the payment, you can enroll here like that. So the user may have more
Okay.
confidence that you're giving them some discount. So most of these conversations happen over WhatsApp, email, right? So so this is the fee that you can mention, but as you already own the payment link of the payment gateway, so you can have multiple pricing created under that PayU Money or InstaMojo, okay? And you can just ask users to pay
Right.
whatever is the best pricing you want from them, okay? So this is done. Now, from our side, we'll provide.
He directly
Uh,
when somebody clicks here, he directly goes to the Instamozo or PayU page, and then
uh,
after that, there might be the option of adding on the GST, or there might be the option of getting a coupon and getting it is
I guess
discounted, right? So those
coupon
can
will
be
be
done
there.
there.
See, I guess coupon code may be there in
Mhm.
that. Okay. I'm not sure about adding the GST or not in that because adding the GST should be done from the beginning itself. It's like the fee can be mentioned as 3,000, but once they go there, it will be shown as 3,000 rupees plus GST is this much amount. Hello.
Is what I
Your
actually
voice
want, and
is
I
not.
want just an option, as in, hello,
Huh,
can you hear me now?
yes,
Better?
I'm not getting your voice clear, but what I understood
Just
is.
a second. Let,
Mhm.
let me go a bit closer to the connection might be. Okay, so got- just a second, please.
Hmm.
Okay, so is it better now? Can you
Yes,
hear me better?
much
Okay, so
better.
I was just assuming that if say somebody goes to my page and he sees that 3,000, he clicks and he goes to a page wherein it shows 3,000 plus 500. I mean GST is added there
Uh,
and
uh,
whatever be the amount, and then he gets an option wherein he can add a coupon if say there's an offer running and I say, well, there's an offer running for this week and you can just apply this coupon and automatically 500 rupees would be deducted and 3,000 would be inclusive of GST.
and that's
Now
what I'm
this thing,
saying. Like
so
if you're taking InstaMojo, for example, okay.
hmm
So InstaMojo may have the facility of this coupon code and discounts, isn't it? So that you
okay,
need to check with
so that would be
InstaMojo or
that
any
would be part
payment.
of the payment gateway.
Yes, yes, that is payment gateways part. See, money is the most important part in this. Since you already have this, like example, payment gateway, okay.
Mhm.
So you can have the flexibility of doing a lot of things which are the features of payment gateway. From the website point of view, okay, IIC's point of view, this program page is there, which is live. The URL is there. Okay, URL will not change. Okay, and one additional thing can be added in your case, that is a lead generation form kind of thing. Okay, where the user can click and he can reach out to you. Maybe the phone number can be updated. If not a lead generation form, we can add your phone number. Okay, so the
Okay.
user can directly reach out. So you can suggest me a phone number of your company which where users can call, because this is the most convenient method.
Right. For now you can put my number, but I'll be putting an office number. I mean, can I do it a little later
You
once I
can do
finalize
it.
the number?
You can
Okay.
do it.
Fine. Okay. I'll be giving that number then. So I have to then get it sorted through these payment gateways and see that whether we have a coupon, and we cannot send a customized link to somebody. We can always do that, right? If I want to send a direct link from Instamojo and take that payment, that is also possible.
You can send customized link also. Like, for example, you have a link in InstaMojo. Okay, you can directly send them InstaMojo link. I suggest you to even create a small web page within InstaMojo about Amazon program. Okay,
Okay.
and let the user get all the information from InstaMojo itself. Okay, so there should not be any need for the user to come to this particular page of IIC.
Okay.
If the user, I do this. If the user is directly making the payment in InstaMojo, okay, then you are getting the it's a very good thing. Huh? And later on, once the payment is successful, you just have to share them a link which says that, okay, now this is the link, this is link to enroll into the program. That's all. Okay.
Okay.
That link is basically the coupon code which I have provided you, the license codes. Huh? Giving you the license code, for example. Give me a second. Let me open it. Yeah. Screen share. Yeah. So what I downloaded, it looks something like this. Okay. So these are the list of codes. Now, if I
Okay.
show you any one of them, it says this is the coupon code, the first one. Example, if you are able to see this, or maybe any of them I'm just selecting. This is the coupon code. So at the time of checkout, the user can use this coupon code if it is a link, but I'm suggesting you no need of that. You can always use this URL. Okay, this is the URL, right? Courses.iac.in/courses/ this is the coupon code. I'm just copying this particular link. Okay, and let's assume the user has made the payment to you. And since the payment is successful, then what is the next step? We have to now, one moment. Yeah. Okay. Let me first share the screen so it will be like a real live demo. Here I go. Safari Chrome. Okay, so here I am. This is the Chrome thing, and you have shared this link to the user. Okay, now the user will receive this coupon code from.
It's still opening. I mean, started sharing. I cannot see the screen as of now.
Oh, there is one moment. Can you see the screen now?
It says you are sharing.
Okay.
No, it's not. Yeah, now it's feasible. Okay.
So you have got this URL. Okay, this link. User made the payment of 3,000 rupees to you, and you have shared this link to him. This looks
Right.
like an ordinary link with some kind of numbers updated here. The moment
Right.
he is clicking on this link, it will come to your page only. You can see that it says ATESDR. Okay. But when you see this original URL, it doesn't say DR, but it is the DR link. Okay. And here, instead of paying the fee of what do you say, whatever the fees it was mentioned, it is saying this enroll for free, right?
3,000.
Huh. So the user will simply click on this free and he will enroll. So what I suggest is a different page can be created for the Amazon program, okay, where the users can directly make the payment to you. And once they receive the payment, then this particular link can be shared to them. Okay. This link,
Okay.
this Amazon
Okay.
program link that we have spoken about, right? This DR wala link.
Right.
This link /ATES DR. So
Again, your screen is stuck. Your screen is stuck for some reason. Yeah. Need to share it
You
again.
can see this.
Yes.
Hmm.
Yes.
I'm saying you should not directly promote this link, okay, to the user. Let the
Okay.
user check out the Amazon program detail in a different landing page. If you want, I can have a different landing page designed for you, okay, where the user
Mm-hmm.
can first look into the detail and let them make the payment to you, okay.
Okay.
Once the user makes the payment is successful. After that, you can share the user this link, the link which I'm sharing you, this ATSDR wala link, okay? But not the
Right.
direct link, but the coupon code link. Why? Because if the coupon code link is shared, it will always show it's free, okay? So,
Hmm.
so what happens once the user clicks on this, it takes them to the backend where they have to just create their account. Once they sign up, automatically the access will be given to them. You can try with one
Got
of
you.
the coupon codes, okay?
Got your point.
Hmm. So this page is also there for you, but this is not the page for
So this.
marketing. Hmm.
Okay. So this landing page, which you said you might be helping us to create, would that be on a separate domain,
I am
which I would
create.
be giving?
You can create on a separate domain. Okay, you can, or we can create within IIC also. Anywhere it is possible. But this is important that this particular course link that I'm talking about,
Yeah. So
ATESDR, that is
I,
done for you.
I understand. I understand. So like, it would be better that it's created under IISC, because
Hmm.
even eventually
Trust
I'm
factor.
promoting that brand, and I don't want
Ah,
any other brand to come in. I mean,
we
it
will
should be
do it.
part of
We will do
that.
it.
So
We will do it.
okay,
No worry. So I'll just create a nice looking landing page.
thank
Uh,
you.
and this can be like the marketing page for you. Once the user makes payment there, then you can share this link to them. Okay, go and pay here. Okay.
Right.
So no, not sorry, not go and pay here. Enroll here.
No. Yeah.
So once the
Enroll.
user
Yeah.
comes and enroll here, they'll see this link. Okay, this is free link. They don't
Right.
have to pay the fee. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this will be so in that case, we don't want a lot of information here what is given, because these informations can go in the marketing page, and a simple landing page can be created where the user can make the payment. Okay.
Right.
So that can be a different link altogether, or maybe I can just create something new for you. But this I'm just giving the demo so that you understand that the process is very, very simple. A
Got you.
marketing page and a page where the user can enroll himself. That's all.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And why we're keeping it manual? Because Amazon itself wants the whole process to be done in this way, because they're counting every single license codes that has been given to the users. Okay. Because so many
Mm-hmm.
people are just selling those licenses to universities and college students. College students,
Mm-hmm.
they do the program, but they don't finally work as an ATES.
Right.
So what Amazon wants is, if somebody is doing the ATS program, they should onboard few sellers for Amazon and all these things.
Correct.
So,
Makes
but
sense.
yeah, I hope that you already know.
Right.
Now I have some marketing material. I'll ask my developer to share that links to you. Okay.
Right.
They are related to the Amazon program only. I guess we have this. Yeah, I have a Google Drive link which I'll share it to you. Hmm? In that link, we have
Sure.
got some marketing creatives, some small bite-sized videos and banners that you can make use
Mm-hmm.
of for promotion of this program. Now, what I suggest is the
Right.
best way to get sales of Amazon ATES program is doing advertisements, okay, in Facebook and all these places. That will help you to get more sales. Advertisements. Organic will not fetch lot of result, but one moment. Organic may not fetch lot of result, but paid will give you a lot of engagement.
Right. I was just thinking about this Facebook ad campaigns, which I was thinking of running.
Hmm.
So, if I get those those branded banners, Amazon and I was just going through some of the YouTube videos, and there were a few ideas about how we can actually mobilize students for this. I mean, the different ways, social media, and then also, there were some offline methods as well, college seminars, and might be, standees and all. There were different ways which that video was suggesting. Might be somebody from your team had made it. It's available on YouTube. I was going through that, and it has your logo and Amazon logo, and they have some banners, some co-branded banners. Take a two 2 days training and become an entrepreneur, something like that.
Mhm.
So, those banners, and we can also, are we permitted to make some, like
You
some
can make,
sort of explainer videos? Like we have our own digital marketing team and graphic
you
team.
can do it. You
So
can.
might be we can make those 2D videos and then promote stuff. So, and again, one more thing, like, can we have this banner of, like IIEC and Amazon together in our office?
Yeah, you can do it very well. You can.
Okay, because
Amazon will be
again, I
happy for
want,
that.
not only I do want it as this, for instance, offline thing. Might be I could reach, like online. I could reach offline people also. Durgapur
Yes,
being a
yes, you
growing
must do
city
it.
here, there are many like small institutes. There are people who might be interested. So, some people going down the street, they would be seeing, well, here's a training center of Amazon, and we could, and then of course your logo would be there. I mean, I was just seeing that banner. Once you share those creatives with me over Google Drive, I have shared my email address with you. You can share it there or give me open access, and then my.
Hmm. Hmm. Sure, that will be done. No worries. You can do it. Hmm. And coming to this last thing, so as you already know how to do marketing, I don't need to teach you anything on that. Uh, but if you want a customized support other than this Amazon program later on, okay, once we are getting good results, we can open up some more opportunities for you. There's no extra cost for this, it's just included. So let's start with this Amazon program initially, see how the results are coming, okay? And later on, let's see what all better synergies we can develop.
Okay, yeah, I am back. So I somehow. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Okay, okay, perfect. So I have understood about this. So I will be needing this landing page from you then. How soon can we expect this? I
We
mean,
can do it by tomorrow. Today, the day
okay,
has already gone.
yeah,
But
no
we
issues.
can
So
do it.
I'll be sharing the payment gateway. I believe if it's done by today or tomorrow, I
Uh,
can share that too. So
uh,
again, like apart from this, it's all about promoting this. You'll be giving me the materials for this, and then once the student is enrolled, we'll be sharing him the link, and we don't get access to any of these materials,
no,
do
no.
we?
You want to get access, you can access yourself also. You have the coupon code, right? So you
Okay,
can
from the
enroll
coupon code.
yourself. Like I just applied this coupon code and here it is written pay free. So create an account and just access the program content and see what it is all about, right? And
Understood. So that would be one sold as in,
one sold. That's why I give 1500,
right,
it's 1000. Yeah,
right.
this extra is like extra. Hmm.
Right, no problem. So, like apart from that, once this program is sold,
Hmm.
this student might be calling us now and then and asking us what is this, what is that, and what is the time. I mean, what sort of support do you provide after this payment is done? They are shared with a link, and
Hmm.
then they go through the link. They have questions, might be, which they need to ask. Do you
Okay.
have any sort of
Yes, yes.
online
So,
classes?
so there are two level of support. One is that you, as the majority of amount is going to you, okay. So a basic support you can provide them because you have already gone through the program. So they will definitely call the sales team. This is for sure. Like it's
Yes.
a tendency of Indians that they don't leave the sales team only. They think the sales team has to do support. They don't understand that.
100%. Yes, that would
And
happen.
we can't help in that. What we can do is
True.
we can
Mm,
first you go through the program content by yourself so you know what is it, and eventually if the
mm,
users are calling you, okay, you can always talk to our support team, okay, that what
mm,
support and assistance are required. So generally the support and assistance what we provide is user gets access. We have an online support team in IIC, okay. Whatever the
mm.
questions and queries they have related to this program, they can directly reach out to our team, okay. But that comes in the
Okay.
end. First what we want them is like, okay, you go through the program, understand the concept, give the exam, get certified, okay. And then if you have any queries, Amazon's team is there to assist you regularly, no worries. Amazon's team itself is there to assist, isn't it? So for every small thing, if they come up with questions like what is this, that and all, so we just suggest them that do the program. And
No, like very true. Very
now
true.
because
What
it's a
what
pre-recorded
happens is that
video.
when I was doing this session,
Hmm. Hmm.
mm, Actually, when I was doing the session with this other software provider, there were people who were asking about like what would be the questions in the uh,
Exam.
in the exam, and then when they went to the videos, and when they went to the videos, they were asking how this product will be listed. If if say this is the case, what do I need to do? So there were multiple case studies which were being discussed over a Google Meet session. So that I believe might be done from our end as well. Might be
That
we can have
that
a
that
weekend class
generally
or
is not
something.
required. I don't suggest you to do it. Okay. Because see, you can always say this is a pre-recorded video content that is available. Go through it, give the exam, get certified. Okay.
Hmm.
Now, whatever the questions and queries you have, Amazon's team will be doing that session through their WebEx. Okay. Amazon's
Hmm.
team will do these sessions regularly. As long as the user is certified, they'll keep doing it. But yes, if you are into support, it will be good because then you can
Right.
conduct some sessions from your side also, and you can say like, hey, this is the session. You can even create a session in a native language. Okay, so it will be easy for users to understand more than English. A native language pre-recorded content or maybe a session will be useful. We generally don't
Right.
recommend you to engage a lot with the students because then you will instead of selling the program, you'll get busy in supporting and giving the training support. That is also good. You can
Very
do it,
true.
no worries. You can do it. We have got a
True.
partner in Gujarat. Okay, they are selling the
Hmm.
Amazon's program at around 50,000 rupees per user. Now, how they do? They have created a program called Program for Sellers. Okay, Amazon
Hmm.
program for sellers where they teach sellers on how to sell on Amazon and everything. So they are finally teaching
Okay.
ATS course only. The users get ATS
Hmm.
certificate, but they do an
Hmm.
offline 2 days of workshop. Okay, which is not required, but they do because they have to
Hmm.
charge 50,000 rupees. So that is completely okay. Amazon is also fine because Amazon see that okay, the users will be able to be more effective than just learning online. So any initiative from your side is good. You can go ahead.
Right.
Hmm.
Fine. So I can have a separate website and promote those type of allied services. I mean, account management, listing, and all.
You can.
Being a ATS. Okay.
You can.
Fine. Got the point. And that can be an extra payment. There's nothing with the IIEC. That's a
No,
separate
that's
module
complete.
altogether I can make, and this can
You
be
can.
additional to that.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Got the point. So this support which you said you have, would I have access to your support? I mean, is that some kind of a WhatsApp group, or
No,
how
no,
does you,
that's
or is it a phone call?
so once you join the program, okay, in this top right corner, you will see the support will be there, that contact us like that, okay. In that you can post information. Let me show you how does it look like.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
ec.et.in. In the backend, it is available for every user. I go for support. Yeah, assuming that this is the program content. In this part, you will
Right.
the contact will be written. Okay. Once you click on contact, it will take you to a form. In this form, the details will be updated and the user will be getting a response back from us. So why we do this? Because we have lots of program
So
and
is
so
it an email kind of a support?
yes, it's an online email support. Yeah, but if I say email, then people think that I'll share an email ID. It's support@iic.ut, the email ID. But here it's like directly they can just send the detail in the box, and a copy of the support will reach to Amazon's team, and a copy will be with us. So sometimes Amazon directly reply to these queries, and sometimes majority of time we reply. Okay.
Okay. One more thing. Like, would we get a company email ID or something wherein if
We
somebody
are
asks us
creating
to
it.
send
We are
something over email?
creating. Yes, yes, we are creating it for you.
Okay, like
So
it would be like something at the rate iiec.edu.in
yes,
something. I
yes,
mean,
that will be the
we have.
name. It can be Day and Roy at the rate
Hmm.
iic.ut. If you want, we can create that also.
So it can be like DRITS at something like that.
No, no, we can't have the company name in this because then it becomes like a marketplace
Hello.
model according to the government. Okay, that and IIS is not a marketplace. So we can see if we can have the name. Some kind of name is required in the email ID.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
Yes, yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes, I
Okay.
can hear
So I
you.
was I was asking that this email which you said. I mean, That would be like, what would it be like info at or something like that?
Info at IIC is already there with us, so
Okay.
obviously that we can't give, isn't
Then
it?
it can be corporate at or whatever. I mean, you can make one, or might be in our name, like DRITS at or something like that.
So that's what I'm saying. DRITS or some name becomes like a company name, right?
Right.
IIC
Exactly.
is not a marketplace, it's an institute. So
Right.
we can have a name which is like a name for the email ID.
So
It can be
like
like
support
Roy.
at, sales at.
No, 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 none of this,
Then
none of the name. I'm talking name. For example, the name, it can be your name at the rate iic.in. This is what generally we prefer. Okay.
okay, okay,
Even
okay.
my
Yes.
email ID is sumit at the rate iic.in in this.
Fine.
Okay.
So let's make it Suchandan at. That would be the best one.
Yes, perfect.
My name at.
Yes, it's easy, right? Suchandan at the
Right.
rate iic.in.
Right.
Here we may have to use the name like your Roy. Okay, DR. Because the direct email ID is for people who are employed within IIC. Like,
Right.
so it can be like DR. Okay. At the rate
Mm-hmm.
iic.edu.in. It looks like Docker, but fine, right?
Yeah. You were suggesting me dr at the rate, or
Uh,
or
I'm saying it can be Suchandan dot. Your company name is DR, isn't it?
yes.
So
Yeah. You
DR,
can make it.
huh,
Yeah. You can make it Suchandan dot dr. Yes.
huh. So this
And
can,
and is it somehow possible to make one more, as it's a partnership firm?
you can tell me.
Atanu dot dr. That's ATANU.
Then
I'm
we
just
have to take one email ID instead of Suchandan. We can take one email ID only. Reason is there should not be any confusion because we can
okay.
tell the
So
email IDs.
so
It's okay.
so like let's make Suchandan dot dr. That's it. I mean, it's okay. One would be fine. Suchandan dot dr.
Or maybe instead of DR, you can tell the another name. What you said?
Suchandan dot Atanu.
Can you spell it?
Yeah, ATANU.
ATANU. Okay.
Yeah.
Is it okay if I go with this name also?
Suchandan dot Atanu at IAC. So that is something which will be. I mean, does it sound professional? Somebody sending an email with two names. I believe it would be like like both are names actually. I mean,
both are
it
names.
sounds a bit
But,
funny.
see, Atanu may be a name. Okay, but yeah, you are dealing with localites there.
Right,
So,
exactly. I mean,
they
they
will
would be understanding.
understand.
So I believe it can be Suchandan dot dr at. Just keep one for now. Later on, we can think of another if say
Okay.
there's lots of sales happening or something. We can see to it. Not a
Fine.
problem. It's for people. Some people say, please send me over email from your company. So that is
that's
why.
what I'm saying, Suchandan.
Right.
We need to get one email ID only. Otherwise, my backend team will get confused.
Exactly. So just I have just send you the name Suchandan dot dr, and please keep it in that. I've sent you over this Zoom chat.
Yes, I just saw that. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So I get the email ID. I make this payment gateway and send the developer link to you so that you can integrate that. Then you make a landing page for me, and you would also be sharing this letterhead, which you had said that would be today, I suppose. Is it?
Yeah, letterhead I'll be sharing today to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
And could you please share that over email?
Yes, that will be done over email. You can just send me. You have sent me your email.
I have sent you everything on your WhatsApp. Should I copy it here or?
No. I think it's fine. If you have already sent me,
and then
Suchandan.roy@gmail.com.
at gmail.com. That's my name. Just a dot in the period in between. And the last thing is those creatives, the Google Drive you said. So that's the thing. Apart from this, I mean, it's all about promoting this stuff and selling it. Of course. So I would be just making a list of the things which I would need to provide, and I'll be providing those to you by tomorrow. And as you said, the Google Drive, the payment gateway link, which I'll be providing, you will be integrating that, and the landing page. This is what you would be providing, and the email address, the webmail, which would be creating the access to that. Right? Anything else?
That's all. I think we just have to start now, isn't it?
Perfect. No problem.
Business codes to you first, and
no problem. So I'll be then waiting for the email from you with this letterhead mentioned and the company name, as I have mentioned in the
Whatever you
uh,
have sent me detail, based on that you will get the details. Right?
yes, I have sent you over WhatsApp. You can mention that as the company name.
Hmm.
Okay, and also please provide me the invoice, where to file for the GST thing for the
Okay.
59,000. Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
We'll do it.
Thank you very much, Samir. And just looking ahead, Sumit, and I'm just looking ahead to get this done in full force as things
Very
are
good.
slowly taking shape post COVID. So hoping that and we have lots of educational institutes here, lack of jobs. So this might be a thing, and I would really appreciate if you from time to time, give us guide, because you have been into this for very long time. You have coined this, and your support would be needed. So at times I might bother you just in case I need initial help, so that I can get through this thing. No problem. I'll then make a list for you and on WhatsApp, just for my own reference, so that I remember what all I have to send and what all I'll be receiving from you, and I'll take it from there. Thank you,
Sure.
Sumit. Thank you very much. You take care. Thank you. Bye.
You.